We are at the Shanti Stupa in Ladakh, just outside of Leh city. I can't say it's outside of Leh city anymore because Leh has expanded. This is the new Leh, and there in the distance is the old part of Leh. The Leh that we knew and loved, that we still know and love. But yeah, that's the pace of progress, I guess. So, as long as peace prevails and we can maintain some sort of sustainability, some sort of balance from the beginning of the time that we plan this so-called progress, I think in the long run we can manage it. That is why I want to make humankind go up there beyond Earth and into space. And science is of course the way to achieve that. We are going to do many new wondrous things with technology, but in the end mankind has nothing on nature, because this is the scale of nature, the grand scale of nature. Being in these places, brings out the best thoughts, and I wish I could stay here always, but the most I can do is give you some vicarious pleasure so that you can share this experience digitally. And see, this is another thing that technology lets us do. It lets us see the world on a black mirror, but not in that dystopian sci-fi way. Hopefully in a utopian, nice sci-fi way. Okay, so with that, I shall bid adieu to Leh and move forward to Nubra Valley via Khardungla, the highest motorable pass in the world, but not anymore. That's Umlingla, which is only frequented by army personnel and really hardcore adventurers, in which category I used to be. But who knows the future, because the past is history and the future is a mystery, as I say in my shorts. Alright then, thanks so much for listening to me and watching along. Stay safe, take care, be peaceful.